Get ready for a culinary adventure like no other. We're diving into the heart of Vietnam, exploring the vibrant and diverse world of street food. Forget fancy restaurants and white tablecloths, because the real magic happens on the streets. Imagine bustling markets, the tantalizing aroma of spices filling the air, and countless food stalls tempting you with their colorful creations. From north to south, Vietnam is a street food paradise. Each region boasts its own unique flavors, ingredients, and cooking styles. Whether you're a seasoned foodie or an adventurous eater, Vietnamese street food will tantalize your taste buds and leave you craving more. So, what are we waiting for? Let's grab a stool, order up some local specialties, and embark on a culinary journey through the streets of Vietnam. Vietnamese street food isn't just about the food itself. It's a way of life. It's about community, connection, and sharing a delicious meal with friends, family, and even strangers. These dishes often have humble origins, passed down through generations of families who have poured their heart and soul into perfecting their recipes. Fresh, locally sourced ingredients are transformed into flavorful dishes using traditional cooking methods. From sizzling woks to steaming bowls of broth, every bite tells a story of culinary heritage. They offer a glimpse into the heart of Vietnamese culture, where food is more than just sustenance. It's an expression of love, tradition, and community. One of the most fascinating aspects of Vietnamese street food is its regional diversity. As we journey from north to south, we'll encounter a symphony of flavors, each region showcasing its own culinary treasures. In the north, expect to find savory dishes influenced by Chinese cuisine, while the central region boasts bold flavors and a touch of royal influence. The south, blessed with abundant sunshine and fertile lands, delights with its use of fresh herbs, tropical fruits, and seafood. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds with iconic dishes like pho, bun cha, and banh mi. We'll uncover the secrets behind these culinary masterpieces and discover why Vietnamese street food is a feast for the senses. Our culinary journey begins in the heart of Vietnam, in the bustling city of Hanoi. As we navigate the labyrinthine streets of the Old Quarter, our senses are immediately ignited by a symphony of aromas. The air is thick with the scent of sizzling garlic, fragrant herbs, and steaming broth, beckoning us to explore the world of northern Vietnamese street food. From dawn till dusk, street vendors set up shop, their stalls adorned with colorful displays of fresh produce, aromatic herbs, and tantalizing treats. The streets come alive with the clatter of woks, the rhythmic chopping of cleavers, and the lively chatter of locals and tourists alike. It's a feast for the senses, a culinary adventure that captures the essence of Hanoi's vibrant street life. No exploration of northern Vietnamese cuisine would be complete without paying homage to pho, the country's iconic noodle soup. A steaming bowl of pho is a culinary emblem of Vietnam, a dish that has captured the hearts and stomachs of food lovers worldwide. Imagine a rich, aromatic broth, simmered for hours with beef or chicken bones, ginger, onions, and a medley of spices. Add to this a generous serving of soft, slippery rice noodles, your choice of tender meat, and a sprinkle of fresh herbs like cilantro, Thai basil, and mint. Pho is often enjoyed for breakfast, lunch, or dinner, a testament to its versatility and widespread appeal. Whether you prefer it with beef, known as pho bo, chicken, known as pho ga, or a vegetarian option, pho is a culinary experience not to be missed. As we delve deeper into Hanoi's culinary treasures, we encounter Bun Cha, a specialty that embodies the city's unique flavors. Unlike pho, which is a soup, Bun Cha is a dish of contrasts, a harmonious blend of sweet, savory, and tangy notes. Imagine a plate piled high with cold vermicelli noodles, accompanied by a bowl of warm, flavorful dipping sauce. The sauce is a key element of Bun Cha, a blend of fish sauce, vinegar, sugar, and often a touch of chili, creating a balance of sweet, sour, and savory flavors. Alongside the noodles and dipping sauce, you'll find grilled pork patties and sometimes spring rolls, all meant to be dipped and savored. The combination of textures, from the soft noodles to the crispy pork patties and the explosion of flavors in the dipping sauce, make Bun Cha an unforgettable culinary experience. Beyond pho and bun cha, Hanoi's streets are a treasure trove of savory delights and sweet treats, each one a testament to the creativity and culinary ingenuity of the city's street food vendors. For a quick and satisfying snack, try Banh Xeo, a savory crepe made with rice flour, turmeric, and coconut milk. The crepe is pan-fried until crispy, then filled with savory ingredients like pork, shrimp, bean sprouts, and herbs. For a sweet treat, indulge in Che, a Vietnamese dessert soup that comes in countless variations. Chi can be made with mung beans, black beans, kidney beans, tapioca, jelly, fruit, and coconut milk, offering a delightful combination of textures and flavors. Whether you're craving something savory, sweet, or a combination of both, Hanoi's street food scene has something to satisfy every palate. Central Vietnam, where royal flavors meet rustic charm. As we leave the bustling streets of Hanoi behind, our culinary journey takes us south to central Vietnam, a region steeped in history and renowned for its distinctive cuisine. Here, amidst the ancient temples and imperial tombs, lies a culinary landscape as diverse as the region's topography, where the grandeur of royal cuisine blends seamlessly with the rustic charm of street food. Central Vietnam was once home to the Nguyen dynasty, and their imperial legacy is evident in the region's culinary traditions. From the spicy noodle soups of Hue to the crispy pancakes of Hoi An, Central Vietnam offers a sensory feast that is both familiar and surprising. Join us as we explore the culinary heart of Central Vietnam, where every bite tells a story of history, culture, and culinary artistry. Our culinary exploration of Central Vietnam begins in Hue, the former imperial capital, with a dish that embodies the region's bold flavors and aromatic complexity. Bun Bo Hue. This spicy beef noodle soup is not for the faint of heart, but for those who dare to venture into the realm of fiery flavors. It's a culinary revelation. Imagine a steaming bowl of rich, flavorful broth, simmered for hours with lemongrass, ginger, and a medley of spices. The broth is then infused with a generous amount of chili oil, giving it a vibrant red hue and a fiery kick that will awaken your taste buds. To this aromatic base, we add thick vermicelli noodles, tender slices of beef, and a variety of toppings like banana blossoms, lime wedges, and fresh herbs. Bun Bo Hue is a true symphony of flavors and textures, a harmonious blend of spicy, sour, salty, and sweet. From the spicy soups of Hue, we journey to the coastal city of Hoi An, where a different kind of culinary delight awaits: Banh Xeo. These crispy, savory pancakes are a staple street food in central Vietnam, a testament to the region's love affair with rice flour and turmeric. Banh Xeo, which translates to sizzling cake, gets its name from the satisfying sizzle it makes when the rice batter hits the hot pan. The batter is made with rice flour, turmeric, coconut milk, and water, giving the pancake its vibrant yellow hue and slightly sweet flavor. As the pancake cooks, it's filled with a variety of savory ingredients, such as pork belly, shrimp, bean sprouts, and mung beans. The combination of textures, from the crispy pancake to the crunchy vegetables and the savory fillings, makes Banh Xeo an unforgettable culinary experience. Beyond Bun Bo Hue and Banh Xeo, Central Vietnam offers a treasure trove of culinary gems, each dish reflecting the region's rich history and cultural influences. For a taste of the sea, try Banh Can Ca Loc, a flavorful fish noodle soup made with thick, chewy tapioca noodles, a rich fish broth, and chunks of fresh fish. For a quick and satisfying snack, sample Ram Cuon, fresh spring rolls filled with rice vermicelli noodles, pork, shrimp, and herbs, all wrapped in delicate rice paper and served with a side of dipping sauce. And for those with a sweet tooth, don't miss out on Che, the ubiquitous Vietnamese dessert soup that comes in countless variations. From sweet mung bean soups to refreshing fruit-based concoctions, Che is the perfect way to end a culinary adventure through central Vietnam. As our culinary adventure continues southward, we find ourselves in the heart of southern Vietnam, a region blessed with abundant sunshine, fertile lands, and a coastline teeming with fresh seafood. Here, amidst the bustling cities and lush Mekong Delta, lies a culinary landscape as vibrant and diverse as the region itself, where tropical fruits, fragrant herbs, and fresh seafood take center stage. Southern Vietnamese cuisine is known for its bold flavors, generous use of herbs, and emphasis on fresh, locally sourced ingredients. From the iconic Banh Mi sandwiches to the flavorful Hu Tieu noodle soups, Southern Vietnam is a culinary playground where you can indulge in a symphony of tastes and textures. Join us as we explore the heart of Southern Vietnamese street food, where every bite is a celebration of fresh ingredients and culinary ingenuity. No exploration of Southern Vietnamese cuisine would be complete without paying homage to Banh Mi, the iconic Vietnamese sandwich that has captured the hearts and stomachs of food lovers worldwide. More than just a sandwich, Banh Mi is a culinary masterpiece, a harmonious blend of French and Vietnamese influences that results in a symphony of flavors and textures. Imagine a crusty baguette, freshly baked and still warm from the oven, its interior soft and yielding. The baguette is then sliced open and layered with a variety of savory fillings, each component carefully chosen to create a balance of flavors and textures. Common fillings include pâté, mayonnaise, pickled carrots and daikon radish, cilantro, cucumbers, and your choice of protein, such as grilled pork, chicken, or tofu. The combination of textures, from the crusty bread to the crunchy vegetables and savory fillings, along with the explosion of flavors in every bite, makes Banh Mi an unforgettable culinary experience. As we venture deeper into the culinary landscape of southern Vietnam, we encounter Hu Tieu, a beloved noodle soup that embodies the region's love affair with fresh herbs, flavorful broths, and a touch of sweetness. Hu Tieu is a versatile dish, with variations found throughout the region, each reflecting the local culinary preferences. Imagine a steaming bowl of clear, flavorful broth, typically made from pork bones, dried shrimp, and a medley of spices. To this aromatic base, we add chewy rice noodles, your choice of protein such as pork, seafood, or tofu, and a generous helping of fresh herbs such as cilantro, Thai basil, and culantro. What sets Hu Tieu apart from other Vietnamese noodle soups is its touch of sweetness, often achieved by adding a spoonful of sugar or rock sugar to the broth. Whether enjoyed for breakfast, lunch, or dinner, Hu Tieu is a satisfying and flavorful dish that captures the essence of southern Vietnamese cuisine. Beyond Banh Mi and Hu Tieu, southern Vietnam's street food scene offers a treasure trove of culinary adventures. From refreshing desserts to savory snacks that tantalize the taste buds, the region's tropical fruits find their way into countless sweet treats. Indulge in Che, the ubiquitous Vietnamese dessert soup with countless variations, often featuring tropical fruits like mango, durian, jackfruit, and longan. Our culinary journey through Vietnam's streets reveals a rich culinary heritage and the ingenuity of its street food vendors. As we conclude our culinary adventure through Vietnam, we're left with a kaleidoscope of flavors and a newfound appreciation for the country's rich culinary tapestry. From Hanoi's pho to Hue's Bun Bo Hue and Saigon's Che, each region paints a unique stroke on Vietnamese cuisine. If there's one thing we've learned from our culinary escapade, it's that Vietnamese street food is not merely a meal, it's an adventure for the senses. It's about embracing the unknown, stepping outside your comfort zone, and allowing yourself to be surprised by the explosion of flavors and textures that await. So if you ever find yourself wandering the bustling streets of Hanoi, the ancient alleys of Hoi An, or the vibrant markets of Saigon, don't hesitate to pull up a plastic stool, order a steaming bowl of pho, or sample a crispy Banh Xeo. Engage with the locals, soak in the lively atmosphere, and let your taste buds guide you on a journey of culinary discovery. Remember, the best way to experience Vietnamese street food is to approach it with an open mind and an adventurous spirit. Don't be afraid to ask questions, try new things, and most importantly, savor every bite. Beyond the delectable flavors and tantalizing aromas, our journey through the world of Vietnamese street food has revealed something even more profound: the integral role that food plays in Vietnamese culture. It's not merely sustenance, it's the thread that connects generations, the language of celebration and community, the heart and soul of Vietnam itself. Whether it's a family gathering around a steaming pot of pho, friends sharing a plate of Banh Xeo, or strangers bonding over a bowl of Che, Food in Vietnam is about more than just satisfying hunger. It's about fostering connections, sharing stories, and creating memories that linger long after the last bite. So, as you savor the flavors of Vietnam, remember that you're not just experiencing a cuisine, you're partaking in a cultural tradition that has been passed down through generations, a testament to the enduring spirit of Vietnam and its people. For more amazing food and drinks tips and recipes, subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Tell us about your thoughts in the comments section. Check out our other videos for more culinary inspiration. We love you. Until next time, keep cooking, stay adventurous.